Well, hello there. I'm Edward, and welcome to your 16th tutorial on how to make an e-commerce website. So today we're gonna work on the filters from the admin add product.php page. We're gonna add a couple of filters to make our site more secure, and we're gonna also work on the admin inventory, where we're gonna display the list with our products. But before we start that, I have to mention, guys, that in the admin.php we have a small bug that I forgot about that, and I apologize for that. So here where it says the variable admin or the variable password, please guys remove this. Is my mistake. Now you can save this and close. Okay. So you don't have to worry about the files. We have already the filters right here, so we know that it's sure a JPEG, PNG, or GIF, whatever. Now let's make the filters for here. So products. No, actually I'm gonna make something easier. So here are our normal variables, and then I'm gonna filter all, So product name, they're gonna be equal to strip tags, and this is for HTML tags, to not let any HTML tag on. So it's gonna be product name. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you copy this 6 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can add here a little comment right here below if you want to make your life more easier. So I'm gonna copy Control C, product band, Control V, Control V. Product category, Control C, Control V, Control V. Product size, Control C, Control V, Control V. Product description, Control C. Oh, no, actually product size don't filter, because remember that in the product size we're gonna put HTML. So remove this right here. So product description. Control V, Control V, product price, Control C, Control V, Control V, quantity, Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, now copy this again, and I'm gonna have the comment right here, like this. I'm gonna copy this, Control V, and I'm gonna copy this again, Control V. And instead of strip tags, put strip slashes. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. No. And eventually, I think it's enough. If you are enough, those filters should work the same. And now we can close here the admin add product and go to admin inventory, which is not my favorite info. And by the way, we need here one more column, and this is gonna be to delete. So the line is gonna be to center. So I'm gonna say something like delete and Control S. Now if I come here and go to admin inventory and see here delete, and probably I enter a little bit in the sidebar, there's no problem. Side is here, so we no, Actually, I'm gonna do something smarter in order we eventually have here a little problem. Okay. So I think by working with a table in those cases is a smart thing, but in our case I think it is not. Imagine if we have a name about 50 characters, how long can it be? More, and also the brand. So I suggest you not make any more with the table. You can keep the table if you want, but I'm gonna delete because it's not too efficient in our case. So I'm gonna add here a PHP block and a PHP script, and I'm gonna say echo inventory product, which we haven't created yet, so I'm gonna comment that out so we will not see an error. So control F. Now let's come here and say something like okay. SQL is gonna be equal to MySQL _ query, but before we do that we have to create and connect. So include _once. This means we connect to the database. So back folder scripts /connect .php. Okay, it's connect.php. Okay, good. So what we want is to select all from products, and only that, because we want all the data from the products. Now C actually count is equal to MySQL _ num _ rows, and it's gonna take us parameter or SQL. So we're gonna make it into if statement, and also we have to declare this variable. So copy this, Control C, and you can paste it right here and equal to nothing right now. So if our count is bigger than 0, and this means we have products, we're gonna do something. But let's finish out the else statement because it's a little easier. So else, and it means we have no products in our database. We're gonna echo this variable, and we're gonna say something like, oops, we have no products in our database right now. Go and add few, and go add some. It's not the smartest message I found, but you can put what message you want here, doesn't matter. Okay, now while row equals to MySQL fetch array, and it's going to take us parameter or SQL. And let me see. So ID equals row ID. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, says it's gonna be HTML, so we will not display that. So 1, 2, 3, description no, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 more. So Control C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Control C, and I'm gonna make this smaller. So Control V, brand Control C, Control V, category Control C, Control V, and sizes, no, description no, price, Control C, wait, Control V, quantity, Control C, Control V, status, Control C, Control V, and date added, Control C, Control V. Now we can make this bigger again. So now inventory, and put here dot equals, and we can make the HTML code. And I didn't test it out, so may give us an error, and I hope not. So first is gonna be ID. So ID, no. Fuck. Let me think about it now. So we're gonna have ID. Actually, we're gonna say something like, put right this. So ID. Let's put here line. Or backspace. No, actually put here something like that. Put a line like that. ID. The next one is gonna be name. Brand. Category. Price. Quantity. Status. Date added. And I'm gonna add here a link, so href equals to, and put pound, actually put okay, and put pound, because I don't know where we're gonna make it, let them see the page, so put href and click here, see details. So, or edit. No, actually you're gonna say edit. Edit. And the last one is gonna be copy this. Say here delete. Control S. Now we can uncomment here. And by the way, make sure that here you put this symbol. I forgot how you say. Never mind. Make sure you didn't put this one right here where it says the href, because you give an error. So Control S to save. Let's go here. Refresh. So oops, we have no products in our database right now. So we have an error. Oh my god. So I really don't know where this error comes from. So let's put here, add here, select all from products, order by date added desk. Okay, Control S. I'm gonna try fix this out, but I don't know why. So I'm gonna pause right now the video. I'm gonna add a couple of products right now, so I'm gonna see also how it displays like. So wait a second. Okay, so I added one product and the mistake was here. I forgot to put from. Sorry, it happens. Okay, so save. Now I go here and refresh. I'm gonna see my product. Date added. Why is not defined date added? Again, a little mistake. Is a here space on the date added. So cancel that. I also save and now it should be okay. And it is. So I have product name Fly, Edward House as a brand, is a t-shirt. It costs $10. I have 1,000 in our store, so it's one, so it's available. Was added on this date and also hour, and I can click edit and delete. So as homework, try to add as many. Actually, no. You know, guys. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make our products in Fireworks, and it's gonna be funny. We're gonna use Fireworks to create images that look like t-shirt, pants, and other clothes, so that we can work with them in our database. So again, guys, my name is Edward. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.